स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम सबस्टँडर्ड आसा आनी तें सगळ्यांकूच दिसता. तांकां सगळें सुदारपा खातीर 30 मे मेरेन मुजत दिल्या. तांच्या कामाक आमीय विटल्यात. आतां मेरेन ते शारा भायर आसूंक जाय, पूण कामूय पुराय जाल्लें जाय म्हण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Regarding the smart city work, substandard work of the smart city work.
Yeah, it is substandard. Everyone has eyes, no? It's bad. See, I was late for this meeting also. I was with those smart city people today also, no? A lot of people have issues with their finishing work. So I told them at least March, April, no? Sometime in May, the 1st of May, I have told them that we will take one round of the full city. We will check and see if any single paver has not been kept properly, or if the edges are broken or drains are broken. We have given them deadline at least till the 15th or 30th May to rectify everything. Now we also now are fed up of all of their work. They should be out of the city now. Even 18 June Road also, according to them, they are not doing 18 June Road also now. So we have to check and see what issues will happen in the monsoon, because that drain connectivity has not been done. So we want to ride.
But why they are not doing 18 June Road?
I don't know exactly. That MD will give you a proper answer. I think time must be their issue.
It's not coming in smart city?
No, they have de-scoped that thing no. Or they're planning on de-scoping it or whatever. So I've heard, so they have not gotten instructions to do that work yet. Because if they start 18 June, it will take a minimum of 1 month, 1.5 months or 2 months. It is a very long stretch. You're talking about from pharmacy college till till our building over here. That is a very...
Every time there is a waterlogging issue.
No, but that is our concern also now, no? See, a lot of those drains also were diverted, I think, onto 18 June Road, which is why it's flooding so much. Now the main point of the smart city was to do the 18 June Road, so at least that whole connectivity would be made. Now that is not being done also. So we have to check and see now which other department can get the work done if they are not doing it. So these are questions you should ask the MD also now. At the same time we want them gone, but at the same time we want the work to be done also. Now what is the point of doing it otherwise?
Sir, one more thing, तुम्ही जो हा हेडक्वार्टर्सकडे तर तुम्ही ट्रेन केली बघ तो रस्तो लास्ट इयर पोलीस हेडक्वार्टर्स ओल्ड ट्रेन लास्ट ट्रेन तुम्ही रिपेअर केली बघ तो रस्तो अजूनही तसंच लास्ट इयर इट वाज
No, see, all of those roads that have not been hot mixed now will be hot mixed. I think that tender is coming out now with PWD. I will check and see if that road is to be done also now.
because for last 1 year it is same situation तुम्ही रिपेअर
If we didn't open that road, that whole road would have flooded only, so no. We had to do some emergency work.
रिस्टोरेशन काय
No,
केलं
we want to do also now. That's what I'm saying now. So I will speak to that. There is one list of roads to be hot mixed now. I think the tender is coming out soon within the next 10-15 days. So I would check and see if that road is part of it also. If that road is part of it, then we can get it done immediately also.
So तो road smart city करून देण्यासारखे आहे.
No, smart city करू ना.
So the smart city had given you any plan of the smart city work that they will be doing, that CCP knows anything?
They didn't give anybody a plan. I don't think anyone knows what their plan is also. Because they do whatever they feel like it. I don't know what to tell you.
Will come on the CCP and the local MLA.
Because ultimately we are the heads of the city also, no? I mean, like,
स्मार्ट प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट झालं सँक्शन झालं सेंटरकडे त्यांनी जो इमेज क्रिएट केला
they have not stuck to their plan at all. They will tell you when has they've done stuck to any deadline of theirs. See the works that we've implemented so far now, say that concrete road and that pumping station, those works have turned perfectly. Mala didn't flood last year, and everyone, even though they were complaining about the concrete road, it turned out perfect now. There is no issue at all. I'm hoping the same thing works for these people. Now there are a lot of inconveniences faced also. We are on the road every day now. Whenever we must get at least 10-15 calls a day, asking the smart city people to rectify whatever issues are there, levels are wrong, drain networks are wrong. See, the problem is now we are out on the road. If they are not doing their jobs now, we are forced to do it for them also. We cannot complain. Means we are here to represent the city, so we'll represent the city now.
So when you will be in inspection with smart city?
I was there today only in the morning now. That market road we were just checking to see what issues there were. So tomorrow there is one meeting at 10:30 and there is some issue with the electricity department. Not issue, but some coordinating problem is there.
मी तुका दिसता की is this a smart city Manchi?
Now it looks like a smart.
Huh?
What happened? You all answer it yourselves only.
No,
But I am asking you as a mayor,
as a
mayor, do you feel it is
It's the smartest city. Very good. I don't know what to tell you, man. Now. Which
No,
bad?
but still you are the mayor.
Yeah, Papa, I know. See, doing interviews and all is not going to solve any problems now. No.
but sir अशें तुका पणजेकार विचारना तुका
But we say the same thing ourselves also internally now, no? What is this? It's like that it's not done properly, it's not done properly also now. We have to make sure that they do their jobs well, no?
The smart city is not smart.
Like all I've said 100 times only it is not smart. Why are you asking me now?
From you, no sir.
स्मार्ट सिटी लागून अनेक ब्लेम जाता तुमले पणजेचे एमएलए
MLA
अपोजिशन सतत ब्लेम करता की पणजेचे एमएलए पोवन घेयना म्हणून एक्चुअली काम स्मार्ट सिटी
See, look at how the smart city corporation is designed. It is a corporation that is independent of any department. Means you have a main body that is supposed to look after the implementation of the work. Now, if they themselves are not doing the work, and if they are not, when we had a last smart city meeting, now it's been 6 months, 7 months at least. There's been no meeting after that. So then, at least during the previous secretary's times, we have to meeting every 3 months. We'd have a meeting to discuss progress, check what work is to be done. Nothing like that is happening.